Want to create this blooming flower animation in PowerPoint? Let's make it step by step. First, insert an image from your computer. Enlarge the image and move it down a little. Then hold Shift and insert a perfect circle. Duplicate it once. And position them like this. Select both circles. Then go to Merge Shapes and choose Intersect. And that's our petal shape. Next, apply a gradient fill to the petal. There are 4 colors right now, which is too many. Click the Delete button on the right and keep only the 2 end colors. Change the right color to white and increase the transparency a little. Now, copy and paste the petal 4 more times and arrange them like this. Set one to a rotation angle of 30 degrees, another to 60 degrees, another to minus 30 degrees, and the last one to minus 60 degrees. Move all 5 petals and arrange them into a blooming flower shape. Next, insert a text box and enter your text. You can move the image up a little so the text is easier to read. Duplicate the slide. On the first slide, delete all the text. Rotate the 5 petals like this and overlap them. On the second slide, move the image up a little more so the animation flows more smoothly. Finally, apply the morph transition to the second slide, and your blooming flower animation is done. Follow me and check out my profile for more tutorials.